Assalomu alaykum. Bugun biz vikinglar haqida hikoya o'qiymiz va tarjima qilamiz. Keling birlikda so'zlarimizga e'tibor beraylik. Learn o'rganmoq o'tgan zamon learned bo'ladi, chunki bu to'g'ri fe'l. Yana biz old man so'zini uchratamiz. Old man bu yoshi katta odam degani. Yana bizga grow so'zi kerak. Grow bu o'smoq, o'tgan zamonda grew bo'ladi, chunki bu noto'g'ri fe'l. Yozib olamiz. Va killing machines ni ham o'rganishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Killing machines degani o'ldiradigan, yondiradigan, juda ham qahri qattiq o'ldiradigan mashinalar. Odamlar haqida shunaqa deb aytsak bo'ladi. I wonder degani men hayronman degani, shu qiziq menga degani. Va destroy so'zi ham bizga duch keladi. Destroy degani buzib tashlamoq, yo'q qilmoq degani. Va o'tgan zamonda u destroyed bo'ladi, chunki u to'g'ri fe'l ed qo'shimchasini oladi. Mana bizda matnimiz, keling birga o'qiymiz va tarjima qilamiz. Vikings were powerful people. Vikinglar kuchli odamlar bo'lishgan. People always like to talk and watch movies about them. Odamlar ular haqida gapirishni va ular haqidagi kinolarni ko'rishni yoqtirishadi. I wonder why people like them if they know that they killed other people. Men hayronman nimaga shu odamlarni yoqtirishadi, ular boshqa odamlarni o'ldirganini bilishsa ham. Yes, can you believe it? Ha, ishonasizmi? Vikings had big ships. Vikinglarda katta kemalar bo'lgan. On which they went to other countries to take away their countries. Demak, o'shanda shu kemalarda ular boshqa mamlakatlarga borib, ularni mamlakatlarini olib olishgan. Take away degani o'ziniki qilib olmoq, olmoq degani. Culture of war, ya'ni jangni kulturasi haqida, madaniyat haqida o'qiymiz. There were two strong enemies to fight. Demak, ular jang qilish uchun o'ta, tu demak bizda sifatdan oldin keldi. Demak, bu o'ta ma'noga ega, o'ta kuchli dushmanlar edi. And they were terrible people who destroyed all people who were in their way. Va ular terrible, dahshatli odamlar edi. Qaysiki ularni hayotida, demak, uchratgan odamlarni yo'q qilib tashlashar edi. Bilasizlarmi, on their way bo'lsa haqiqiy yo'l bo'ladi. Masalan, men mushugini ko'rdim yo'limda. In their way degani bu hayot yo'lida degan ma'noga egamiz. Shuning uchun in their way deb inni qo'ydik. Vikings children. Demak, Viking children bu Viking bolalar. Vikings wanted their children grow strong too. Ular, demak, Vikinglar o'zlarining bolalarini ham, bu yerda tu gapni oxirida, demak ham deb tarjima qilsak bo'ladi. Demak, ularni kuchli bo'lib o'sishlarini xohlashar edi. Small Vikings learned to fight as if they were real warriors. Demak, kichkina Vikinglar xuddi haqiqiy jangchilardaqa fight, demak, jang qilishni o'rganishar edi. Warrior demak jangchi. Vikings didn't feed their children if they didn't learn to fight. Vikinglar feed degani boqmoq, demak, ular boqmas edi bolalarini agarda o'sha bolalari fight, jang qilishni o'rganishmasa. If in other countries small children learn to dance and sing, small Vikings learn to hurt and kill. Agarda boshqa mamlakatda kichkina bolalar, demak, raqsga tushishni, ashula aytishni o'rganishsa, kichkina vikinglar hurt, birovga jabr qilishni va o'ldirishni o'rganishar edi. Davom etamiz vikinglar haqida, ularning bolalari haqida. I want to say they were very special children. Men aytmoqchi bo'lgan narsam shuki, ular juda ham alohida bir, boshqalarga o'xshamas bolalar edi. I admit, man tan olaman, there is no child like a Viking in my country. Bizning mamlakatimizda, mani mamlakatimda vikingga o'xshagan bola yo'q. Can you imagine these small children take their small swords in the morning and walk in the streets as if they walked with a sweet in their hands. Tasavvur qila olasizmi? Mana shu kichik bolachalar o'zlarining kichik qilichlarini ovolatda in the morning ertalab and walk in the streets va ko'chalarda as if xo'ddiki ular bir sweet degani shirinlik bilan qo'llarida shirinlik bilan yurgandek yurishadi. Mana shunaqangi can you imagine tasavvur qilmoq, swords demak qilich, streets ko'chalarda yurishadi xuddi bir qo'llarida shirinlik turgandek. Viking women ya'ni ayollari haqida. Viking women were different from other countries women too. Viking ayollari boshqa mamlakatlarning ayollaridan boshqacha edi. To yana gapning oxirida ham degan ma'noga ega. If other women could work in a field, cook and clean, these women fought with their men. Demak, agar boshqa ayollar field degani dalada ishlashsa yoki bo'lmasam pishirishsa, clean tozalashsa, bu ayollar esa erkeklari bilan birga fightni o'tgan zamoni, ya'ni jang qilishgan. They could win their enemies in a second. Ular bitta sekundda dushmanlarini ustidan g'olib kelishlari mumkin edi. They painted their faces with red paint and jumped into the fight. Ular demak betlarini qizil paint degani kraska bo'yoq bilan demak bo'yashib fight jangga o'zlarini otishar edi. Jump into degani irg'moq, lekin biz o'zbek tilida o'zini jangga otmoq deb gapiramiz. Yana bolalar haqida gap ketmoqda. Nobody learned how to write or read. Hech kim qanday qilib o'qish kerak yoki yozish kerak hech kim o'rganmagan. They didn't see pencils. Ular ruchka ko'rmagan yoki qalam ko'rmagan. And didn't know about the school. Va maktab haqida hech nima bilishmas edi. Their school was a war where they were small killing machines. Ularning maktabi bu war, ya'ni jang edi. Qayerdaki ular kichkina o'ldiradigan mashinalar bo'lishgan. I wonder how their women could be so strong. Men hayronman qanday qilib ularning ayollari shunaqa sovdigani shunaqa kuchli bo'lasha olar edi. Could degani bo'la olmoq o'tgan zamoni. They had children, ularning bolalari bor edi, and it meant va bu shuni anglatar ediki they had to cook and play with them. Ular pishirishlari kerak edi, bolalar bilan o'ynashlari kerak edi. But they fought like men. Lekin ular like degani xuddi erkeklardek fightni o'tgan zamoni dediga jang qilishgan. Let's talk about their funny hats. Keling ularning kulgili shapkalari haqida gaplashsak. They look as if they killed many cows when they trained for the wars. Ular shunga o'xshaydiki, xuddi jangga tayyorlanayotganda ko'pgina mollarni o'ldirishgan. And they had long beards. Va ularni beard degani soqollari bor edi, uzun. I don't think they cut it sometimes. Men o'ylamayman ular bir ularni o'sha soqollarini kesishgan, ozgina bo'lsa ham bir qandaydirki vaqtlarda bo'lsa ham kesishgan deb o'ylamayman. Because they always had to move from one country to the other. Chunki ular bitta mamlakatdan ikkinchisiga move degani siljishlari, ko'chishlari kerak edi. And their beards grew longer and longer every year. Va ularning soqollari har yili undan-da uzunroq bo'lib o'sar edi. I think they had no time to wash clothes and cut beards. Menimcha ularning vaqti ham yo'q edi wash clothes kiyimlarni yuvishga yoki bo'lmasam soqollarni kesishga. Also, we see many Vikings with long beards in movies and nobody has short beard or no beard at all. Demak, yana also shunga qo'shgan holatda biz vikinglarni demak uzun soqollari bilan kinolarda ko'ramiz va u yerda ham hech qaysi viking short beard ya'ni kalta soqolli yoki bo'lmasam umuman soqolsiz vikingni ko'rmaymiz. Bu albatta hazil, tag'in yana vikinglarni avlodlari eshitib xafa bo'lib qolishmasin. They were so strong that their old man's dream was to die in the war, but not on the bed in their houses. ular shunaqa kuchli ediki, hattoki ularni old men, ya'ni qari odamlarini orzulari uylardagi kravatlarida yotib o'lish emas, jangda, urushda o'lish ularni orzulari bo'lgan. Va bu yerda bir ikkita savollarimiz bor. Xolasalaring pauza qilib javob berib olinglar. Bo'lmasam bizni onlayn darsimizga qo'shinglar va mana shunaqangi bir qiziqarli nuqtada biz hozircha to'xtatamiz darsimizni. Katta rahmat. Sog' bo'linglar.